Okay, here we are at the city. And I'll pull back. Here we have 6-inch clay pipe. And transitions to cast iron at 54 feet. The total length of the sewer is 57 feet. So there's about 5 feet of cast iron through here. 5-foot section. I wasn't able to get through a clump of roots, so I'm not using a skid. It's a little hard to see the top of the pipe because of it, but it looks pretty decent. Here we're coming up to the spot I had trouble getting through. You can see the roots on the bottom there. And all the way through here. So it's pretty bad. Needs to get cleaned ASAP, I think. It was backing up. It was backing up when I was filling up the sink, actually. So it was filling this whole area up. You know, all the way back up through here. And then there's this section that has this joint here that has roots on the side. I would say it needs to get taken care of very soon. Otherwise, it's going to back up right away. But from what I can tell, the condition of the pipe is good, and it's 57 feet. I would say to have it cleaned again and verify that the pipe is good. So by having the skid on there, so we can see the top of the pipe, just to verify it. But from what I can tell, all the sections that I was able to get an eye on, it looked good. So clean out. Thanks.